This is just a quick video to show you how to place a school order for ICAS. To place your order, you will need your 8-digit school code and password. If you don't have these details, please reach out to your assessment consultant or to our customer service team and we'll happily provide it for you. Firstly, head to our ICAS website, which is icasassessments.com. On the top right, click the purple Buy Now button. If you have your school code ready, simply click Yes and follow the link below to sign in. On the right-hand side, please enter your school code and password to sign in, and please note that your password will always be in uppercase letters. Once logged in, you will press Buy Tests beneath the orange ICAS tab, and to make your school purchase, select the green option on the right-hand side, which is Start School Purchase. Simply place your student numbers in the box on the right-hand side of each subject and grade level for the licenses you wish to purchase. Once completed, the grade level will be highlighted in green. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and press Add to Cart. A small pop-up will appear where you can either keep shopping, go to checkout, go to cart, or purchase past papers. If you are ready to check out, please ensure your school billing information is correct. You will also need to tick the box at the top to ensure you receive relevant information about your purchase. Your school address should be saved within the system, so please ensure it is selected and accurate. If your school requires a purchase order number, you may fill in this field, but it isn't mandatory. Please also fill in your name and email address so we can contact you about the purchase if we need to. Once complete, continue to payment. You will have two options for payment. If a school credit card is on hand, that can be used here in the top section. Otherwise, if you select electronic funds transfer, a tax invoice will be generated and sent to your school admin email, which is displayed at the top of your screen. If your school has recently updated the email, please reach out to us and let us know. Before proceeding with your payment, please ensure the correct licenses, both grade levels and subjects, are displayed in your cart at the top right corner. If you're happy to proceed, simply check the terms and conditions box and press Pay Now. On the final page, you'll receive an order confirmation. This will be emailed to the email address displayed on the screen.